That's true, Patience. That's true.
You're not a fortune teller.
What? Did
She says you never know what could happen. You're not a fortune teller.
Where did you hear that, Missy?
I made it up.
Louder, baby.
I know people and I hear stuff.
I made it up.
Don't
Here's the
yell.
traffic.
What?
There's the traffic.
Oh, they're coming this way. I see. Well,
It's good.
I don't know if you can see. And plus, it's raining and I'm filming out a window. It's 55 miles an hour. But there's the Navy ships. And that's the
And there's the
Puget
Navy
Sound
traffic.
Navy shipyard.
Wow. It's at a
Here we are, Target, Silverdale, Washington.
They're bandana. Ooh, what are these?
Oh, $5.
Grow your own marigolds?
Is that what that is?
Yeah.
Let me see. Let me see. You put water in there and then they grow?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. So I'd never seen these dye-free scrub mommies. That's funny. Dual-sided. Ooh, I need this. $3.99. Not because it's scrub-free, but because it's new and mine's getting softer and softer because I dishwash it.
Ooh, buy them.
It's a bucket of cookies for $13.
Get it, get it.
What'd you say, Patience?
I said.
There are those cookies, $2.99. The peanut butter situation here is bad. This is it. You get some of the specialty stuff, and then you get some Skippy. Wow, and it's all extra crunchy? No, and natural. Yep, and extra crunchy natural. Goodness. Lucky Charms marshmallows. But they're not hard, right? They're just like soft. Yeah. That's cool. Where does it say? Oh, Death Wish. The world's strongest dark roast ground. Look at this. They are stacking the back to school stuff here. These are empty so far, and all of these are. But any minute now. This is what all this room is for, I think. What's this called?
It's called Operation Splash.
And so it's a splash pad. You got to get the stuff out, right? And if you don't do it right, it splashes you?
Yep.
That sounds like fun to me. Okay, some of this is going home with Miss Patience, my granddaughter. So she got a little sundress, some little blue pants. I don't think you like these, right?
No, I do.
Oh, okay, because I couldn't tell. You said, okay. And then she got a Little Leaders Bold Women in Black History book. And she got some marshmallows and some floof and some brownies. Grandma got bananas, Rice Krispies, gnocchi. First time I've ever bought gnocchi. I have to look up how you work it. A scrub mommy. And 2 mac and cheese. That is it. And so, this is just a little bitty Target haul. Kind of quick. So, if you like this kind of thing, I hope you'll consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up and comment. Have a great night.